Hello, my people. This is Anigo TV. There's a video I just watched now. Please do me a favor. Share this video. Even if you don't want to watch this video, share this video. Remember to follow us. This is Anigo TV. Wonder shall never end. Fulani in Ghana protesting that Igbo should go. Watch this video now before I will say something. In Ghana. In Ghana. You don't finish watch am. Imagine. Kedu ife ndị Igbo melụ ndị mmadụ n'ụwa everywhere Igbos, everywhere Igbos. I see Chukwu gosi anyị. Now we talk say God bless us because we are hardworking. Wait here, they notice for this video. Baby, ụmụ nwaanyị ebe anyị nọ Ghana na-achị na Kalova Diva. Just my mind that they just they say, baby, no move on Nigeria girl just Jawa has another idea. It's your body here. Move to Mwa Ibefa. Every protest. Igbo must go in Ghana. All the Kala na born, no na ala. So Igbo bu problem no. So Igbo people now is your problem in Ghana, right? Huh? I just wonder I no one. Wonders are never end. Yeah? But tomorrow, on every jeji chwaja. Emesai ye poema. Sina atwala ebe Igbo. Aijaba no esai, aijaba esai. Koronya imejo. Keronya imejo. Na Nigeria ana achwai. Europe ana achwai. Asia ana achwai. Imagine African countries ana achukwa ebe Igbo. Mana onwere onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo ebe ọbụla ị nọ na-agba mbọ isi ike believe no anyị nwa bụ ndị Chineke nna gozi wit ego owe iwe wayo wesa bụrụ onye Igbo. I'm proud to be an Igbo man. I'm proud. That's why I keep on hustling because o nwere ike Chineke nna nyere anyị ji bi ụwa. Asịkwa na other tribes ara agba mbọ before mmadụ abịa eme attack, but we Igbos we are the best. Other people are the best, but we are the better than the best. So wherever you're watching me, please remember to follow us. This is Anigo TV. Always share our video. Do me a favor and share this video because it's too much. Even that I'm laughing, I'm not happy seeing such. Imagine Fulani immigrant women in Ghana saying that Igbo must go. Who does that? Anyway, share this video. Drop your comment. I love you all.